Hello, my name is Cece Tong. I'm a psychologist with Counseling and Testing Services here at UNT, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a workshop that I'll be doing this fall called A Starting Point in Trauma Recovery. This is a weekly workshop, weekly drop-in workshop for all enrolled UNT students. We are starting the second week of classes, which is the week of August 31st for this upcoming fall semester, and there will be two different times available each week for students to attend. It'd either be on Mondays from 3:30 to 4:30 or Thursdays 1 to 2. The workshop itself has a strong psychoeducational focus, and we have topics each week that is centered around helping students create an understanding of the impact of trauma within oneself, the impact of trauma on relationships with others, and the development of coping to begin the healing process. If this is a workshop or group that you feel might be helpful for you, it's pretty easy to get the Zoom link. All you would need to do is one of two things. You can send us an email to our general email account, which is counseling and testing services at unt.edu, or you're welcome to give us a call at our main line, which is 940 565 2741. Thank you.